Hello everyone, good evening. Today's date is 29th September 2021. My name is Akash Babar. Let's discuss our today's Viva topic, containments in Java. Firstly, we will discuss what is meant by containment. Secondly, we will discuss what is the relationship with them. Then we will discuss when we will use containments and when we will use inheritance. We will discuss both difference between the containments and inheritance, and then we will discuss with the example actually containments where it is used. So, firstly, we will discuss what is meant by containments. Containments is basically for the reference for giving the reference of another class or another object variables. So in containments, there is relationship type as has a relationship. So what is meant by has a relationship? Has a relationship means class A and class B. There are some objects in class A and some objects in class B. So some variables in class A and some variables in class B. And if you want to refer some variables of class A to class B, so there is some relationship between the class A objects and class B variables. So that is has a relationship with class B. So that is meant by has a relationship. In inheritance, there is a relationship between the objects or variables. So in inheritance, total method and variable is added in another class. In variables, in containments, it is differ from inheritance. So let's discuss where it is used and where it is not used. So firstly, we will see one example. If class 1 is if class 1 is living things, in class living things, if we see some methods in class living things, so we will discuss what is the methods in class living things. It can bark, can roar, can talk, can drive, or can walk. So another class is class mankind, or and then another class is class animals. So if we want to inherit, or if you want to extend, or if you want to use our containment method, then what will be the scenario? The scenario is, if we want to mankind class, if we want to use variables of living things classes, so we will use only mankind related variables. So mankind related variables, what are they are in class A or class living things? It can be can talk only, can drive only. Others are related to our third class, that is class animal. So with the help of containment, it is only used a containment method in this scenario. If we use the inheritance, that can be that we can so that can be wrong for that example. So that's why containment is used in this example. We will discuss containment in some proper example. We will see if class A is a student class. If class A is student class and another class is employee. In student class, we will see the basic variables. In that name is variable. In that name, first name, middle name, last name, and another in another class, only age is variable. So if we want to use all that variables in second class, then we will use containment method. How can it be used? If we want to use variables in another class, we will repeatedly using variables in another class without typing differently, typing same thing differently. So that's why this containment method is very useful. It is some basic differences. There are parents and child classes in inheritance. In containments, it is not like that. We can use any class with any variables with the help of this we have discussed already. So that's all for today. Thank you.